Hey everyone, Steven TheSalonGuy here, and today I'm going to be doing a new type of video, and let me know if you want to see more of these, and I think because this could be really, really awesome. So today we're doing Jacob Elordi, who is in the movie Saltburn, and he's a great actor, and clearly he's a heartthrob, but his hair is pretty awesome. So let's start browsing and taking a look at some of his hairstyles. So here is a hairstyle from when he was in Saltburn, and these are literally images on Google. I just Googled his his name in Saltburn. So as you can see here, he does have a longer type of hairstyle. Take note of around the ear, because a lot of times people think you have to have the hair cut really, really short around the ear, when in fact you don't, especially for a longer hairstyle like this. Also, take note of his hair in the back, like near his neck. So for those of you who don't like a lot of hair back there, you can trim it down quite a bit shorter. However, it's going to take away from, once again, this kind of messy look that we have in through here. Also, what I want you to see is the top. So the top is layered throughout the sides. In fact, the whole thing is layered, and that's how you get that shape. Now, if you were to pull his hair straight down, it would probably come to about like the tip of his nose. And the reason he's able to kind of sweep it over a bit is simply because of the fact that it's layered. And the layers are what allows the hair to kind of give it that more messy texture, that messy look. So here's another example. Let's see if we can pick another image here. Not the greatest image. However, you can see with the longer hairstyle, it's actually in the back, it's going to give you that flip. It's going to give you that movement. All right, let's take another look. So this is an image I think that is a really, really good reflection of his haircut. So the top sweeps over. Now, if your hair is not long enough, believe it or not, some may think like the hair needs to be shorter. If the hair is not long enough, it actually won't be able to sweep over. It's just going to keep hanging down, like those fringe pieces he has there. That's actually going to just fall straight down, and it's going to stay like that. So the fact that the front of his hair is much longer, that really is helping the whole situation, because of the fact that he can kind of brush the hair over. Right? Here's another one. This is another prime example. So if you take a look at the corner of his hair, you could on his left side or the right side of the screen, you could see the hair is fully swept over to the one side. Now keep in mind when you see like the sides around his ears, it's all layered in through there as well. So if you're looking for a hairstyle like this, firstly, I would just download or save images of this. And I would suggest going to a hairstylist rather than probably a barber, simply because this is a longer haircut, and we hairstylists are much more familiar with working with longer hair. Another shot right here, as you can see, you can see kind of the flow, right? It's definitely got a flow to it. It doesn't have like a severe side parting, but it does go over in that one direction. So if you are going to wear your hair like this, you need to make sure, and it's clear in a lot of his other haircuts, like let's take a look at this one. You could see here that his hair still has that kind of flow, right? It goes over to that one side. And, if this is something that you have a parting or a natural kind of style over to one side, I always say it's best to go with it, not to fight it, because if you fight it, then it's not going to lay right. Here, another prime example. So here, you could see his hair is a bit shorter on the sides. However, the top, I would say, is almost exactly the same. So for this haircut, if you have something like this, you need to literally grow out the sides and the back, and it could take 4, 5, 6 months maybe, to be honest with you. And then you just maybe get the top trimmed slightly, but you have to keep letting the sides grow out, right? The sides have to grow, and the back has to grow. Here's another one. These are, I would say probably older images. This one is obviously a bit more in the face, but you can see how the hair is kind of going over from one direction on the side of it, on the side parting. So everybody has a natural side part or some sort of part, whether it's in the middle or the side. But the key to this is, the styling, the hair texture. If you have straight hair, this definitely will work really, really well. If you have wavy hair, this could work really well. But you can get this look, going back to, this original look, you can get this style with kind of the waves and things like that with naturally straight hair. Because the fact that if you use like tidal wave and you've got some layers to it, you will be able to scrunch it. And I have loads and loads and loads of videos and tutorials explaining how, to kind of get that wavy texture. And it's literally just scrunching your hair, using a diffuser, and using some tidal wave. So if you're interested in purchasing any of my products, you can use code YouTube20. That's YouTube20, shop.thesalonguy.com. And I didn't, download, and these are literally just going on Google and searching in. So I didn't download any of these. It's literally accessible for anyone. So let me know if you want to see more of these. I had a lot of fun doing this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.